Get started with Agentforce for Service. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you'll be able to describe Agentforce for Service. Explain how Agentforce for Service is different from other bots. Note: new agent building experience coming soon. Agentforce is getting an update. At Dreamforce 2025, we announced the new agent building experience, which may differ from the process and features you learn about in this batch. Expect the new experience to become available in open beta in the weeks following Dreamforce. General availability comes soon after. The current builder experience remains available to support previously built agents. Stay tuned for more information. What's Agentforce for Service? Agentforce for Service is a massive leap forward in customer service automation. It's a trusted conversational AI agent that seamlessly supports customer service teams. Unlike traditional chatbots that rely on rigid, declarative dialogues, these autonomous agents use generative AI to operate 24/7 across self-service portals and messaging channels to handle tasks, make decisions, and provide natural responses aligned with branding. Because Agentforce for Service is grounded in trusted business data and knowledge base, it delivers the most relevant, context-aware information to meet specific business or customer service goals. Agentforce for Service automates common tasks and frees up service teams to focus on more strategic, high-value work and build customer relationships.
Key benefits of Agentforce for Service. Agentforce for Service offers flexible solutions to customer service challenges. Responds 24/7, answers questions, deflects cases, and meets service goals on channels at any time of day, whenever is convenient for your customer. Replies naturally, uses generative AI to craft conversational responses that understand context and match a brand's voice. Adds clarity, instructs AI agents to ask questions specific to the business to gather and share more accurate information. Handoffs to humans, lets AI seamlessly transfer or escalate conversations to live agents who can solve more complex issues. Deploys quickly, sets up quickly using service-specific templates and existing workflows without the need to write dialogues, define intents, maintain conversation trees, or train large language models, LLMs. Grounded in trusted data. Grounds AI agents in credible sources like knowledge articles, similar cases, and CRM data. All LLM calls from Agentforce for Service go through the trust layer on the Einstein 1 platform, which keeps customer data safe.
What makes Agentforce for Service unique? As business needs are assessed, there are a few key differences between Agentforce for Service and Einstein bots. Difference: setup. Agentforce for Service sets up quickly with pre-built topics and actions. AI agents are powered by generative AI and large language models to provide flexibility and conversational capabilities similar to humans. Einstein bots setup requires manually training natural language models to understand customer language and design dialogues. Difference: maintenance. Agentforce for Service update a handful of out-of-the-box topics, actions, and instructions, or quickly create custom ones as service requests increase. Improve performance easily by adding and iterating on natural language instructions. Einstein bots requires high maintenance to keep the dialogues and intents up to date and to train new dialogues and intents as service requests increase. Difference: context and exception handling. Agentforce for Service understands human language and responds to follow-up questions and unplanned exceptions, has context of entire conversations. Einstein bots can't understand human language and responds only to the most recent question, has no context of entire conversations. Although Agentforce for Service is more advanced, Einstein bots may be ideal in a regulated industry that requires explainable processes with extra governance, or when maintenance of highly specific, deterministic conversation flows using dialogues and intents are needed.
Types of Agentforce agents. Since Agentforce agents can work across sales, service, marketing, and commerce, there are a few types of autonomous agents available. Service agent resolves customer cases autonomously across channels 24/7 with natural responses. Service planner effectively helps your service reps resolve cases faster with concise case summaries and detailed step-by-step resolution guidance. SDR Helps sellers automate pipeline 24/7 by qualifying inbound leads and booking meetings for sellers. Sales Coach gives every seller a dedicated AI coach through on-demand, realistic role plays tailored to each deal and personalized feedback. Employee Agent, customizable to meet the specific needs of your company and employees to help them become more productive. Agentforce agents share the same building blocks on the Agentforce platform, such as the trust layer and prompt builder. Agentforce for Service Setup. It just takes a few steps to set up Agentforce for Service. From Setup, in the Quick Find box, search for and select New Agent. Then choose the type of agent to create. Now you know a thing or two about autonomous agents.